I need some riz. Ain't even listening to this whiz. What the mics, these hoes about shit. I pay no attention, they ain't legit. What's the J? All that these hoes be trifling. Sneaker but sniper like a viper. Yet I couldn't care less to say it with my chest. My actions speak louder than a distress. Boom's nest. Smoking Cuban doobies like I'm Wiz. Don't fuck with me if you ain't bout the shit. If she ain't down to fuck the little bitch and skip. You know that Supreme when he bout the biz. Several honeys all up in my crib, but like big bees when you walking in. Attitude like a fucking sting. Yeah, the pussy sweet like it came out of tin. Wait, I mean a jar. See, I had to fix the bar. My skills come on guard, and I heard you just a jar. Shit, you can spot it from afar. You can spot me from afar, cause I'm showing signs of a star. Come through like the last son of Mars. I'm trying to do giveaways like Oprah, trying to strike fast like a King Brown Cobra. Pull up and jacking, I leave it all over. If you are high, then I am at solar. Sip and lean till I fall over. Folding doobies like a fucking folder. Was a newbie, now I'm feeling older. Hard body, now I feel like gold. Straight back addict, like an addict. Blowing smoke like the zoo, automatic. Now we sip lean with a molly in it. Hip hopping like we fucking ribbit. Hip hopping like we eat carrots. I'm the shit, a nigga, you a maggot. She tripping cause I ain't finna chase, she said my attitude.